Welcome everyone to the Hyflex environment. In this video, we are going to go over several things that are going to be present in most of the Hyflex environments that we will have here on Bakersfield College campus. Now, one thing I wanted to point out is that you are viewing a 360-degree video, which means you have control over what you're looking at within the scene. If you scroll to or if you scan and swipe your finger to the left or right or up and down, you are going to be able to preview everything in this environment. So let's go ahead and get started with that. What I would like to point out first is if you go to find the Zoom presentation on the computer monitor, notice that we have our Hyflex presentation pulled up. Up in the top right-hand corner, you're going to go ahead and see our Zoom attendees today, our student workers from the Renegade Hub. Angel and Ulysses, go ahead and wave. There they go. You can go ahead and look at that. In addition, so I want you to notice that you can see everything here on the screen. Now also notice up in the Zoom, the camera is pointed at me at the instructor pulpit, right? The instructor podium. So you can see me there and you can also see who's else present in this room. Now, one other thing that you can do in the Hyflex classroom is I want to draw your attention to a screen. If you're not looking at me right now on the 360-degree video, go ahead and find me, and I am pointing up towards a ceiling tile, which will act as not only your microphone in the environment, but it will also serve the purpose of communicating the audio output by those joining on the Zoom session. Alex, I hand it to you.
So these Hyflex classrooms were really designed to help facilitate student-student interactions and really break that barrier between students who are on Zoom and students who are face-to-face. So as you can see here, Kalina is using one of our laptops. We have laptop carts in the Hyflex classroom so that when we have time for breakout sessions, Kalina will be able to work one-on-one with participants, whether they're face-to-face or whether they're on Zoom. We also have monitors here in various locations throughout the classroom so that no matter where you're sitting, students will be able to see both their instructor, the screen, the presentation, but also the students who are joining us via Zoom. And we also have another video, another camera in the room so that we can ensure that we have the ability to easily switch between cameras so that students will be able to really get that 360 feel of a classroom, whether they are at home or here in person.
Thanks, Alex. So go ahead, take a few more minutes. Go ahead and look around the Hyflex environment. And another thing that I wanted to point out is we actually have a small little toy Renegade Knight figure somewhere in this room. As you look around, see if you can find where we placed him.